I'm Tariq Samad. I'm head of research at Lundbeck. I'm a scientist. I have a passion for drug discovery, and I have a passion also for helping people living with brain diseases. One of the other biology clusters we're working on is the protein misfolding and clearance cluster. And if you look at many neurological and neurodegenerative diseases, you clearly see an issue and a problem, or we can call it an alteration in the ability to clear proteins in the cells. So this leads to aggregation of these proteins, and the idea is to disrupt this aggregation, and in this process impacting multiple neurodegenerative diseases with clear unmet need and no therapies at the moment. If you look at the knowledge and the scientific innovation that is happening right now around many neurodegenerative diseases, for example, Parkinson's disease, or we can look at other rare forms of Parkinsonisms. The science has progressed and therapies have to follow. Now we know more about the pathologies, the cellular pathologies, the misfolding, the lack of clearance of those aggregates and proteins in the cell. So the ability of us impacting those is bigger now, more than ever, I would say. So there is a unique opportunity to take advantage of the growing knowledge and the scientific innovation in this field and impact the lives of patients living with neurodegenerative diseases. If you look at the activity currently in this space, in the protein misfolding and clearance space, you see a lot of activity and lots of hypotheses being tested. So at Lundbeck, we learn a lot from what others do, and we tackle those scientific questions with therapeutic potential when the biology rationale is strong. One of the examples is alpha-synuclein. This is a protein that aggregates in many neurons, leading to diseases like Parkinson's and other Parkinson-like disorders. The idea is to intercept this particular protein with a therapeutic and block the trajectory of the disorder. The potential of targeting protein misfolding and clearance gives us the opportunity of impacting in a transformative way the disease trajectory in people living with brain disorders. The goal ultimately is a cure. However, it's a long way, and the first step is to disrupt the trajectory of the disease.